Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Raj. Today we are going to doing an unboxing of Acer 14-inch touchscreen laptop. I bought this from Best Buy. The original price was $1,130 after tax. With some discounts I got for $1,020. Also I purchased the Microsoft Office software for $150 plus tax. That's for one PC for one-time purchase. So all together it came out $1,185. So let's open and see what's inside. If you look at the sides, in one side we have one Type-C port, one HDMI port, one USB 3.2 port, and has one micro SD card slot. Now if you look at the other side, it has headphone speaker jack, one USB 3.2 port, a power button, and also has a pen. The keys are very high quality and come with very beautiful blue and white mixed lights. It has a fingerprint login, so you can log in with your fingerprint like you do on your phone. This is i5 10th generation, so it has all the latest technology built in. So when you get a 10th generation, you don't miss anything. That's the last model came out. Now let's check the webcam. As you can see, now you're seeing this video from the webcam built in with this laptop. I really like this quality. If you have a good lighting in your house, you will get a really nice video from this webcam. It's really good quality. This laptop, you can flip it to use like a tablet. It's really convenient for students. During the class, they can flip it and then use it like a tablet. Easy to take notes and stuff. It is touchscreen and it's really convenient. As you can see, there is a pen on the side. This is really a good laptop for students because few things, the touch screen make it really convenient for them to take fast notes and stuff, and you can flip it and use like a tablet, and has a pen so you can write fast and draw with the pen. Really convenient. The sound quality also is good. I checked with the YouTube videos, video quality and sound, everything is perfect. If you are planning to buy a laptop, few things keep it in mind. Don't get i3. Try at least i5. If you can get i7, that's the best, but you don't really need i7. i5 will do the job. When you choose the hard drive, always look for SSD hard drive. If you pick the regular hard drive, they will give a lot of spaces like 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte for cheap prices, but your computer will be slow. So SSD hard drive will make the computer function really smooth and fast. The other thing you have to keep it in mind, get at least 8 GB of RAM, because 4 used to be okay, but nowadays all the application takes lots of memory. So make sure you get minimum 8 GB. If you can get 16, that's beautiful, but get at least 8 GB of RAM. So in this model, I choose everything that I needed: i5, 8 GB RAM, 512 SSD hard drive, and also get the 10th generation if you can afford, because that's the latest one, so you have all the latest technology built in. If you go with 9th or 8th or previous generation, you might be missing some latest technologies in there. So keep it in mind, and when you look for a laptop, look for these basic things, and if you pick a laptop with these functions, you won't go wrong. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and consider subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you and have a good one.